Hello students, today we are going to study prepositions. See, there are 8 parts of speech and preposition is one of them. So now we'll see the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a word and a noun or pronoun. Okay, got it? Preposition is a word that shows the relation between a word and a noun or pronoun that comes after the preposition. Okay, now there are 2 types of preposition: simple preposition and compound preposition. Okay, now first we'll see simple preposition. Now see this. Here's simple preposition means simple preposition are made up of only one word. Okay, here some examples are given. These examples are of simple preposition, and these prepositions are made up of only one word. Okay, first see. A crow sat on the branch of a tree. Now here in this sentence, this on is the preposition. Okay, and one more preposition, off. These two are the preposition, and these two, both the prepositions are made up of only one word. Okay, so here crow sat on the branch means here this on and this off both are the simple preposition. Second one, it had a bunch of grapes in its mouth. Now here off and in, these both are the prepositions. Okay, and these both the prepositions shows the relation between two words. Here off shows the relation between bunch and the grapes. Okay, here grapes, where are the grapes? In its mouth, shows the relation between where are the grapes. Okay, now third, a fox came by that place. By, from which side fox came? By that place means it shows the relation. Next, it stopped under the tree and looked at the crow. Now here under stopped where? It stopped under the tree. Relation between it and the tree is given. Okay, this under is the preposition. Also looked at, it shows the relation. At is the preposition. Okay, so student, these are the simple prepositions. Now next is the compound preposition. Compound prepositions are see, these are the compound prepositions here. Compound prepositions are made up of 2 or more words joined together or separately. Means here some given: within, outside, according to, beside. Means here 2 words are joining together, this outside, out and side, with and in. But here 2 words are given and they are separately, according and to, in this way. Okay, means compound prepositions are made up of 2 or more words joined together or separately. Now here two examples are given. The mouse hid inside the hole. Okay, now here inside, this is the compound preposition. Shows the relation where the mouse hide. Okay, so this inside is the compound preposition. Why it is compound? Because this is made up of 2 words, in and side. Now next, I welcome all of you on behalf of the entire school. Now on behalf of, this on behalf of means this shows the relation, and this preposition is made up of more than 2 words, 3 words, 1, 2, 3 words. So it is called compound prepositions. Okay, got it? So students, these are the simple prepositions and compound prepositions. Okay, now here we'll see this side. Here some sentences are given. Some preposition indicates the directions. The apples fell into the bushes. Apple fell into the bushes. Now into, it shows the relation between apple and bushes, but shows the direction. Main important thing is it shows into. It shows the direction. Okay. Now next, some preposition indicates position. Now here, the chair is near the sofa. Chair is near the sofa. So this shows the near. Near is the preposition, and this near, this word shows the position of chair. Okay, so it is the preposition. Now next, some preposition indicates the time also. The postman will arrive at 2 p.m. At is the preposition and it shows the time. Okay, so students, this is about the prepositions. Now we'll see some examples of prepositions. You are going to fill in the blanks with the suitable prepositions. Now see students, here some sentences are given and we are going to fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions from the brackets. Now two prepositions are given in the brackets. Okay. Now first sentence, the girl sat dash the two boys, the other boys sat dash the rest of the girls. This is the sentence, and two prepositions between and among. These two are given. Now we are going to fill those two, both the blanks with these prepositions. Now first one, the girl sat. Which preposition will come here? The girl sat dash the two boys, between the two boys. What? Between the two boys. Okay. And second, the other boys sat among the rest of the girls. Okay. Second one, mother sat dash the table while baby sat dash it crying. Prepositions are on and at. So second one, mother sat at the table while baby sat on it crying. Okay. Next, we hadn't met dash childhood. We hadn't met dash many years. For and since. These two prepositions. So first fill in the blank. We hadn't met since childhood. Okay. Next one, we hadn't met for many years. Okay. Now fourth one, I remained awake dash 12 dash 5 past 12. I was ready to go to sleep by and till. Now first one, I remained awake till 12. Okay. By 5 past 12 I was ready to go to sleep. Okay. Next one, fifth one, the princess stood dash the mirror dash doing her hair. She began talking to the mirror. Now first fill in the blank. Two prepositions are given which instead of in front of. The princess stood in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. Second, instead of doing her hair, she began talking to the mirror. Okay. Last one, would you like banana dash a chocolate dash me? Eating both together is not good thing. Now first preposition is given here, two prepositions, according to, in addition to. Okay. Would you like a banana in addition to a chocolate? And second one, according to me, eating both together is not a good thing. Okay, students, in this way you can fill in the blanks with the given prepositions. Hope you understood this topic preposition.